Have you ever wondered whether it is easier or harder to impress a married woman? Most people assume that since she is already in a relationship, it is almost impossible to impress her. But the reality is quite different. In fact, sometimes impressing a married woman can be easier than impressing a single woman, if you understand the way to her heart. A married woman often gets so entangled in the responsibilities of a relationship that she too forgets that she is a woman, one who needs to be understood, appreciated, and loved. She gets so lost in her roles as a mother, wife, and daughter-in-law that her own feelings get left behind. Sometimes, even husbands, after a few years of marriage, are unable to provide the emotional connection and attention they used to give in the beginning. In such a situation, if a man understands her feelings, listens to her, and makes her feel like a human being, then these small things touch her heart. But remember, impressing does not mean that you show off your wealth, car, or status. This is the most common and biggest mistake. Expensive gifts or tacky compliments will not impress a woman unless they are genuine and have depth. Women are attracted to men who are confident but not arrogant, who listen to them, not boss them around, who understand their feelings but don't overanalyze them. Remember, words are not enough. What's important is that your words have sincerity and emotional depth. A married woman is used to fake compliments. You are so beautiful, you are so nice. These things are commonplace to her. But if you say, there is a depth in your presence that can be felt but is hard to put into words, she will pause and think. Another important thing, keep a little mystery. Try too hard and she will immediately know you are trying to impress her, and it can backfire. The best way is to listen more than to talk more. If you really pay attention to what she has to say, she will automatically be attracted to you. Confidence is your greatest strength. But that doesn't mean arrogance. Many men are either overly shy or so self-absorbed that they come across as arrogant. Balance is important. When you talk to her, look her in the eye, but not so much that she is uncomfortable. Smile, but naturally, not artificially. Your goal should be to make her smile, not to prove yourself. Finally, don't underestimate the power of body language. Sometimes a quick eye contact, a spontaneous smile, or a discreet silence can leave an impression she will never forget.